It's really about the majority vote. No? But if you ask me, maganda sana na pag-usapan yan during the trial proper kasi yun transparent at fair sa lahat. Hindi naman ibig sabihin kung pinakinggan nito sa trial proper, matutuloy siya. Pwede rin siya ma-dismiss. Pero at least doon na natin na pag-usapan. And yun yung proper procedure. Mag-convene na, magkaroon ng trial at ilalabas. Ako naniniwala ilalabas rin ng defense yan. So sana doon na pag-usapan.
Are you disappointed?
Sabi niya, sir, premature.
Well, ako kasi I am following precedents. Kung ano nangyari kay yung mga dating impeachment, dapat sinundan natin yun, in my opinion, dahil klaro kung ano yung mga next steps. Hindi tayo na wawala sa direksyon. With this new intervention, in my opinion, dahil bago siya, parang uncharted territory na. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga susunod na steps. In fact, hindi natin nakausap yung House of Representatives, so hindi rin natin alam kung ano yung kanilang magiging reaction.
So are you worried, sir?
I am probably concerned because without any precedents, then we don't know what's going to happen. So let's see kung ano yung mga susunod.
Tomorrow, sir, anong schedule? Yun nga, wala pa.
Kasi nga may bagong, yun nga yung sinasabi ko dahil nga may bagong resolution, nagbago yung schedule. Kasi dapat bukas magbabasa na ng articles of impeachment. That's the proper procedure. So, but hindi na matutuloy bukas. So we're waiting for the schedule of SP, kung ano yung mga schedule.
Say po, unprecedented yung remand. Is that
because if you look at yung kay former President Era, former Chief Justice Corona, kay Merceditas, although kay Merceditas, diba, nag-resign. But if you look at those three, wala namang remand. So, nagtuloy-tuloy lang. And you can question everything pag nag-impeachment trial na tayo. Pwedeng question yung validity, which I would want to participate in that question.
Sir, will this affect the credibility, integrity, reputation ng Senate?
It really depends kung ano yung mga next move. Hopefully walang delay. Narinig ko naman na nag-issue na ng summons. So ibig sabihin ang court will take jurisdiction over the defendant. So nakita ko kanina nag-issue na rin ng mga iba pang mga communication. So tingnan natin kung yan ay magtuloy-tuloy.
Are you positive na after pa rin ng SONA yung trial? Yun yung unang sinabi ni SP dahil doon sa development ngayon?
I have to look at the timetable. Kasi nga medyo nagbago na yung procedure. So we need to look at the timetable. Dati kasi if you remember may release na timetable. Kung i-apply mo lang yan on the same date, klaro kung ano yung mga next steps. Pero ngayon we have to wait for the Senate President.
Senator, if the House sends back the impeachment articles immediately, can the Senate as an impeachment court reconvene after it adjourns in the end before June 20?
I expect them to say this is valid. Sila yung nagpadala dito. So ang expectation ko, they will say it's valid. So if you follow the resolution earlier, tutuloy-tuloy tayo. And then may second, kanina yung number 2 is they will have to send a communication about the 20th Congress. So I think that will apply by the transition kasi may transition time between 19 and 20 and that will apply during that time. I think that's the end of the month.
So sir, pwede pa rin magsesyon ang Senate under the 19th Congress? Let's say Thursday, Friday, kahit nag-adjourn na kayo.
You mean the impeachment
The
court?
impeachment court.
Once they send back the certification.
Kung mayari bukas ibalik na agad nila. Tapos,
the way I understand it, may dalawang conditions. Number 1, yung kanilang certification. Number 2, yung letter na tutuloy sa 20th Congress. So that letter will be applied at the end of this month. At the end of this month. Kasi magta-transition na. But ang argument naman kanina, dahil nga may 10 days, may 5 days, aabot naman sa ganun. Yun ang argument kanina.
Pero sir, hindi makukomply yung number 2, condition number 2, because hihintayin yung communication ng 20th
Tama,
Congress na
yeah.
existent pa yun.
So the effect sir talaga is 20th Congress na siya. So that's
Yun
the
ang
effect of the number 2.
nakasulat sa resolution na dapat ko lang matandaan yung exact
Na
wording.
the House must communicate that it's willing to pursue
Correct.
the impeachment
So
trial in the 20th.
they will only communicate that when the 20th Congress assumes, which
Okay.
is July 1, no? Or June 30 to be exact, no? Kasi yun ang palitan eh. No? So they will have to communicate. But of course, ang House may sarili rin silang dynamics. 'Di ba? Wala pang speaker
Walang
at that time.
leadership pa, no?
'Di ba? Wala pang leadership. Marami nagbubuo pa lang sila doon, no? So realistically, makapadala sila ng letter dito pag buo na sila, which is mid-July to end of July.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng yung first lang yung ma-meet mo, sir. Dapat dalawa.
No, dalawang condition.
Dalawa dapat.
Dalawang
Okay.
condition. That's the way I understand it. Yeah, that's why yung proposal ko nga, kung ituloy lang, tapos yung mga tanong na yun, sagutin sa trial, proper, then tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. That's my proposal.